Today, it's all about the basics, gaining yoga confidence one basic pose at a time. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. Are you ready to begin your midlife yoga journey? Come on, let's get started. Today's basic pose is Savasana, the pose of rest. We practice this at the end of every yoga practice. And so coming into your seat comfortably, leaning all the way back if that feels most comfortable to you, relaxing the shoulders, your hands are comfortably in your lap, either the palms are up or down. You can also do this pose by lying flat on your bed, hands just resting comfortably at your side as you rest on your back. I invite you here to close your eyes or have a soft gaze. And just take a breath. Let that breath go. Just nice, steady breathing. At the end of a yoga practice, it feels so restful to just sit and pause, to reflect on what we've done in our practice, to spend a moment inviting a more peaceful environment. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your jaw. Relax your toes. Inhale here. As you exhale, whisper to yourself, relax. Once more, inhale. And as you exhale, whisper to yourself, relax. Become aware of the room around you. What sounds can you hear? If you are ready, you can open your eyes. We also close each practice by wishing each other namaste. Namaste is the Sanskrit word that means the light that lives in me honors and recognizes the light that lives in you. So I invite you to bring your hands to your heart in a prayer position as we wish each other namaste. The light that lives in me honors and recognizes the light that lives in you. And that's it. Take 5 yoga. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.